Creating a stunning rose vibe nail design using only dipping powder is not just possible, it's a game changer. No gel needed, no fuss, just pure dipping magic. Let me break it down. Typically, rose nails are done using gel paints or polish requiring detailed freehand work, precise brushes, and a steady hand. The process often involves layering multiple products, curing under UV lamps, and dealing with tools that can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. We've simplified the process. Thanks to our exclusive dipping base art, you can skip the gels entirely and still achieve those soft, romantic rose vibes. And never expect to have delicate petals, but an achievable contour, as a watercolor rose is possible and easy to process. When you get all base color properly done, clean the side walls and skin to avoid any flooding or lifting issues. Grab your base art to pick up the powder. Don't worry if the brush gets messed up or stained. Clean it with any dry or wet wipe with no more issues. Try to paint the rose in a watercolor vibe. Like I said, the feature of the dip powder system will not allow you to have that crisp level of flowers. Follow our step-by-step tutorial and dipping system. You can confidently create dreamy, rose-inspired nails without the hassle of gels or complicated tools. Let us guide you to salon-level nails with ease.